Construction chaos this week on Atlanta Driving Follies. Stick around to the end. What is this driver doing? This oblivious driver just blew through a four-way stop.
To most drivers, a red light would signify the need to stop, but this driver has a slightly different interpretation.
Three cars fail to yield after the light turns green. Now, let's look at some last-second decisions. Now for a cutoff montage.
Whoa, Nelly!
The grass is greener on the other side until it isn't. And finally, the joys of construction traffic. It brings out the worst and even the best of drivers. U-turns become the norm. Yelling at your fellow commuters is pointless, especially when their windows are up. And then there are the traffic cheats who use a right turn only lane to advance. What a wonderful afternoon. And the nurse wondered why my blood pressure was elevated once I finally made it to the doctor's office.